Welcome to Goa 365 English News Bulletin. I am Glenn and these are the headlines. High Court pulls up government over deaths from lack of oxygen. Immediate action is to be taken to prevent more deaths, says the court after the government admits shortage. Death rates are a problem, especially when such a large number are taking place between 3 am to 6 am at the GMC due to no oxygen or low oxygen pressure. Today's deaths are 70. The IMD has warned of a cyclonic storm in the Southeast Arabian Sea on 16th May. Goa will get heavy rainfall with winds reaching 40 to 60 kilometers per hour. And now for the news in detail. The death rates are very scary in the state. Today, 70 persons died. However, what is even more scary are the purported death rates between 3 am and 6 am at GMC. And that too allegedly because the oxygen pressure has not been maintained. Here are the details. High-level sources indicate that yesterday 26 people died at the GMC during that period. Today they say 21 died. In fact, people have been petitioning the health minister during that period. The health minister has been on record to say that there needs to be an inquiry into this, which is surprising since he is the head of this department. Listen to both ruling and opposition voices on the issue.
2 वरां जाली तो टेक्निशियन मागीर मेसेज धाडटा की आमकडे प्रेशर तुका दिवपाक कमी आहा म्हणून ऑक्सिजनाचो
सो ऑपरेशनाकूय ऑक्सिजनाचो प्रॉब्लेम आसा
आहाच न्हू आयज ऑपरेशनात जायना मेजर ऑपरेशन आयज स्पायन तो भुरग्याची गॅरंटी ना फाल्यां तो पॅरलायज जावंक शकता फूल बॉडी तेजी सी दीज आर द इश्यूज हॅज टू बी रिजॉल्व इमिजिएटली आमी कोणाची टिक्का करपाक ना हिंगा पूण वगत येतू जाल्यार मागीर इतल्याक पास जाल्यार मागीर आमी उगी रावचे ना म्हाज्या हातीन कितलेच लोक मेल्या कोवीड कितलेच जाण मेले ऑक्सिजनाक लागून पयर आमी प्रोटोकॉल दिलो कितलो तेंप जालो प्रोटोकॉल दिताले आमी बसोन निमाणे म्हाका सीएमाचे पांयां पडचो पडलो सीएमा कडेन उलोवचो पडलो सतीश बाई कडेन उलोवचो पडलो आनी उलोवन ते आमचो तो प्रोटोकॉल पयर हांवें मटीन आनी हें ते आयज पब्लीश जाला आमी लोकांक हांव वखदां डायरेक्ट कंपनीचे हाडून लोकांक हायवे मटीन वांटता हिंगा आनी दिता आयज आमची गरज आहा मनशान पळोवपाची चड गरज आहा आयज सगल्याक वता थिंगा दाट जालेले आहा कोवीड सगल्याक कितें करपाचें आहा हांव जावन येता म्हाजें हांव नको फुडलें कितें तें म्हण सगळे लोक कशे वयतले यू डोंट नो एनीथींग आयज मेडिकलान पळोवपाक जायना CCRन वच गर्दी कॅज्युअलिटीन तरी वर्क लोड कमी आहा एका वॉर्डान ते दोतोर ऑर्डर बरयता धाडटा खंयसर तरी ते खूब ट्राय करता ह्या वॉर्डान तुका लुगार ना त्या वॉर्डान लुगार हा हिंगा घालता पूण राती 150 हितून हांवें एक पेशंट धाडलो ऑक्सिजन आहा पूण तेजे कंटेंट ताका कितें लागता न्हू ते मेकॅनिकल आयटम्स लागता ते ना थिंगा देखून हांव चीफ मिनिस्टर नदरेक हाडटा तेणें जेन्ना आयज ही इनिशिएटीव घेवन आयज इतल्यार पावयलां फुडें घेवन हाडला तेजे नदरेक हाडटा हाजेर हातून तरेन गरज आसा लोक मरता लोक निमाणे कितें करतले ते ऑक्सिजनाचे सेटां कंटेनेटर येता ते मागीर आमी सप्लाय करूंक शकता म्हणून लागले 15 तारीख देखून रावचें पडलें आनी खंयसर मेळना वेदांतान दिल्या आनी 2-3 हेणी दिल्या पूण बिसायड एवरीथींग आय डोंट नो हांव एकूच सांगता म्हाजें एकूच सांगणें आनी देवा थंय मागणें एकूच आमच्या दोतोरांक तुमी सालो करचें म्हणून मागता आनी कित्याक लागून ते आमचे सेवेक पावता म्हणून आनी दुसरें म्हाजें सांगणें एकूच की हॉस्पिटलान ताबडतोब सगळ्यो फॅसिलिटीज जावपाक जाय एक दीस एसेंब्लीन उलयलो हांव आनी म्हाका अजून उगड आसा 40% ऑफ द स्टेट बजेट शूड बी फॉर द हेल्थ केअर ओनली म्हणून 40% हिंगा थिंगा बजेट करना आयज ह्या उतराचो आयज म्हाज्या इट इज ऑन द रिकॉर्ड ऑफ द फ्लोर ऑफ द हावस
आयज गोंयान आमी जर परिस्थिती पळयली जाल्यार भंय दिसपाक लागला आयज गोंयचे आमचे कितलेशेच लोक मरतात आनी चडशे जे मेल्यात ते सरकारच्या गैरकारभाराक लागून निश्काळजीपणाक लागून तेंचे असंवेदनशीलते कारणान गोंयचे लोक आशेन जर कोणा कडेन पळयता तर ते गोंयच्या सरकारा कडेन जी आमची GMC आसा साऊथ डिस्ट्रिक्ट, नॉर्थ डिस्ट्रिक्ट जी आमची हॉस्पिटलां आसा थंयसर लोक आशेन पळयता, पूण आयज आमी पळयतात की दिसाक 75 लोक मरपाक लागले. आनी हितूनचे चडशे लोक जे मरतात ते ऑक्सिजन मेळना म्हणून मरपाक लागल्या. पयल्या दिसाकसून गोंयचो मुखेलमंत्री सांगतालो की हॉस्पिटलांनी बेडांची कमतरता ना, ऑक्सिजनाची कमतरता ना, पण आयज बसून जर आमी पळयलें जाल्यार लोक ऑक्सिजनाक लागून मरतात, लोक सुविधा मेळना म्हणून मरतात, लोक तांकां योग्य मेडिसीन मेळना म्हणून मरतात. हे आमी पळयलें. आनी खुद्द तेंचे मंत्री सांगतात, आयज मुखेलमंत्री आनी आरोग्य मंत्री एकामेकाचेर आरोप करपाक लागल्यात. दोगांय जाणांची झगडी आयज लोकांक मारक जाल्ल्या. हे निश्काळजीपणां जी गोंयांत चल्ल्या ती आयज गोंयान गोंयकारांक, गोंयच्या कोविड दुयेंतींक मारक पडलेली आसा. गोंयची जनता आयज सामकी त्रस्त जाल्ली आसा. आमकां खंत दिसता की सकाळची 2 ती सकाळची 6 हो जो फातोडेचो पार आसा त्या पारार पेशंट मरपाक लागल्या. आनी हे खुद्द गोंयचो आरोग्य मंत्री सांगता की हिची चवकशी जावची, हायकोर्टान दखल घेवची. हे दाखोवन दिता की गोंयचे आरोग्य यंत्रणा, आरोग्य सेवा, गोंयचे सरकार, गोंयचो मुखेलमंत्री हे सगळें सारकें जाग्यार घालपाक ते सक्षम ना. जे नोडल ऑफिसर जीएमसीन नियुक्त केल्यात तेंच्यांनी आयज हायकोर्टाक सांगला की ऑक्सिजन कमी आसा, पेशंट चड आसा, खाटी कमी आसा, आनी ऑक्सिजन नासतना आयज पेशंट मरता. हे खुद्द आयज सरकारचे अधिकारी, सरकारचे मंत्री सांगपाक लागल्या. असले दुर्दैव आनी खंयच आमी पळयलें ना. मागणी करता सरकारा कडेन की आतां तरी जागे जायात. हायकोर्टान तुमचेर झणझणीत थापट मारलेले आसा. हायकोर्टान तुमकां सगळी तुमची लक्तरां भायर काडलेली आसा. आतां तरी जागे जाया, आतां तरी सुधरात, आतां तरी गोंयचे जनतेक वाटोवपाचें काम करात.
Number 1173 of 2021 is being heard. We have filed an additional affidavit. We means Nirmala Singh has filed an additional affidavit. I feel that the court will get to the bottom of this. Bottom of what? Who is responsible for this death, for this oxygen supply shortage, and what is the way forward, and how accountability has to be kept. So I think people who have to be held accountable, they have to be held accountable. So as and when the court comes out with clear findings as to who is responsible for this deaths, we will file a case on behalf of Gonkar. आमचो पक्ष गोंय, गोंयकार आनी गोंयकारपणान उलयता. हे मेला ते आमचे भाव, गोंयकार भाव, तांचेर अन्याय जाला, तांच्या फॅमिलीचेर अन्याय जाला, तांचे खातीर कोणें तरी उलोवपाक जाय आनी ते उलोवपाक आसतले.
William Rodrigues for Goa 365 from Panji.
The High Court of Bombay at Goa on Wednesday grilled the state administration over the deaths due to the short supply of oxygen. This is at the Goa Medical College. The court also warned the government to take immediate action to prevent any more deaths due to this shortage. The next hearing is tomorrow.
The court said that several deaths are taking place due to want of oxygen and a solution needed to be found. It said that statistics show alarming rate of deaths taking place in Goa and that this issue will have to be given a priority over other issues.
Today, the public interest litigation filed by the South Goa Advocates Association and others regarding the management of COVID was taken up before the Honorable High Court. The full discussion today by the High Court was how to save lives henceforth. Then at the start of the hearing, the Honorable High Court asked the Advocate General to ask the Dean of Goa Medical College to appear before the Honorable High Court by virtual hearing. But as per the directions, the Dean of the Goa Medical College appeared before the Honorable High Court by virtual hearing. And there the Honorable High Court clearly informed the Dean that we are not here for any blaming anybody, but that the High Court wants to find a solution to avoid any deaths due to lack of oxygen. One thing is clear that many deaths have occurred in Goa that due to lack of oxygen. Now the High Court categorically asked the dean and the nodal officer who was present along with the dean whether there was any shortfall and what is the requirement of oxygen to avoid any deaths.
Meanwhile, authorities admitted before the court there is an issue of oxygen supply and shortage of beds. There are over 950 patients at GMC, although the capacity is 700. They said that to provide oxygen supply without fail, GMC would require 72 trolleys of oxygen per day. One trolley has to reach the GMC every 20 minutes, and one trolley will have 48 cylinders, the nodal officer informed the court. He said that their supply is able to produce about 1,100 cylinders days. So even if we wished, 72 trolleys is impossible per day. At best, we can provide 52 trolleys, Principal Secretary Punit Kumar Goel told the High Court.
So today, while the matter was going on, the Dean of Goa Medical College, the Health Secretary, and all were called upon by the court to remain present through virtual conference and address the court on the issues. Basically, the court was trying to find out where exactly the whole problem is as far as oxygen supply is concerned. So when the Dean was asked about it, that what is his exact requirement to stop basically these deaths that are happening because of lack of oxygen supply, he gave an estimate of about 80 trolleys that would be required, whereas the current supply is less than that of 50. Let's say some sort of a solution is being worked out. Basically, the High Court was concerned on looking at is that how do we save lives even today? The High Court was concerned about that fact, and they wanted to know how even not a single death should happen today because of lack of supply of oxygen. So now the matter looks likely to be taken up day-to-day basis. The matter is again kept tomorrow to find out what further can be done to stop this oxygen crunch that is being faced and see how best it can be proceeded.
Dean Dr. Bandekar said that by 2 p.m. they require 500 jumbo cylinders of oxygen. Further, by 10 p.m. they would require another 250 such cylinders by 10 and another 250 by 6 a.m. Oxygen provider Scoop has been directed to provide 600 jumbo oxygen cylinders and 55 trolleys, the court was told. The state needs at least 55 MT of oxygen. GMC alone needs 20 MT. Health Secretary Ravi Dhawan informed the court.
Right now the High Court only sees more importantly with the oxygen issue, because if you see yesterday also there were about 75 deaths, and I believe I'm told that there have been 21 deaths today morning. I'm not sure, these are these reports that I have received. So that's where we stand today. So as of today some arrangements have been made, and the oxygen suppliers and all who will remain present today, and they also through their lawyers spoke about how much they can supply and how much of oxygen they can make available. And some good orders has been passed today. Hopefully today there will be no death because of lack of supply of oxygen at least.
Sandeep Twankar for Goa 365 from Panji.
We will take a short break. Stay with us. Welcome back. India reported 4,205 COVID-19 deaths in the last 24 hours, the highest ever rise in daily deaths. After the daily cases dropped for straight 2 days, the country reported 3,48,421 new COVID-19 cases. Here's more.
13 states account for 83% of active cases. Karnataka, Maharashtra, Kerala and Uttar Pradesh have highest number of active cases. 19.83 lakh samples for COVID-19 were tested in last 24 hours, out of which 3.48 lakhs came positive. 24% of total active cases reported in 10 districts. Bengaluru urban, Pune, Delhi, Ernakulam and Nagpur are top 5 districts. There are 10 states which shows decrease in active cases in last 24 hours. Maharashtra, once a worst state, showed decline of 31,803 cases, while Karnataka showed incline of 16,446 cases.
The lockdown that began on Sunday has reached day 4. Things were better on Wednesday, though there were aberrations during the morning session.
The state is going through a lot as deaths just refuse to come under control, though infection rates have reduced after the lockdown.
सगळ्या शॉपकीपरांकडेन विनंती आसा की तांणी आपली शॉपां बंद करची एक जालेली आसा. सगळ्याक टायमिंग दिलेली आसा सकाळी 7 ते 1 हाजे मजगतीक आपल्याची शॉपिंग करची, कितें घेवपाचें आसा तें सामान घेवचें. अननेसेसरी एका उपरांत कोणेच रस्त्यार भायर पडचें न्ही. तुमकां खबर आसा कलेक्शन काडिल्लें आसा ताजे प्रमाणे 7 ते 1 हाजे मजगतीक ही शॉपां आसात खरीददारी करपाची, ग्रॉसरी म्हणा, व्हेजिटेबल म्हणा, फ्रुट्स म्हणा, ती तांणी लोकांनी खरेदी त्या टायमा मजदीच करची. आतां तुमी जर आमी कितलोय प्रभागंडा केलो तरी पूण आमकां लोकांच्या सहकार्याची गरज आसा. लोकांनी जाणून घेवपाची गरज आसा की आतां परिस्थिती कशी उद्भवलेली आसा. आनीक हे जे दुयेंस जर आमकां हाटोव्याक हाडटले, तो प्रसार जर आमकां कमी करपा जाय जाल्यार लोकांनी भायर वर्दळ करपाची कमी करपा जाय. हें नितांत गरजेचें आसा. सो लोकांची सहकार्य व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट आसा. तुका लोकूय आतां लोकांकूय समज आयलेली आसा, लोकांचें सहकार्य आमकां मेळटा. आतां तुमी पळोवची सगळीं शॉपां बंद आसात, जी एसेन्शियल सोडून फार्मासीस आसा ती सोडून. तशेंच जी किचन आहा तशेंच लोकांनी हाफ सेटर करून टेक अवे जे स्विगी आनी ते व्हरतात. पयर आमी 3 जाणां बूक केले, काल आमी लोकांची घुट्टी म्हणटा ती मात्तूय पडना. एक सोशल रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी जावन केशी वाडटा त्यो लक्षात घेवन लोक आपली कुयदाद घेतना दिश्टी पडटना. आमकां सोशल डिस्टन्सींग बी मेंटेन जाता. एका उपरांत मात सामको एक सायलन्स पडटा, स्ट्रीट्स डेजर्टेड जाता. पूण एका उपरांत तेज्या पयलीं आमी पळोवंक गेल्यार रस्त्यार मार्केटांनी स्पेशली चडशी गाडयांची गर्दी दिसून येता. म्हणल्यार चडशे लोक गरज नासतना भोंवतना अशें दिश्टी पडटात. पूण पुलीस म्हणटा येस, एका उपरांत ते आडयतात आनी कारण विचारतात, एका उपरांत तुमी भोंवतात कित्याक ते. गोवा 365 खातीर कोंगुटीच्यान समीप नार्वेकार.
कर्फ्यू लायला आज 14 दीस. आयतार साकून गोंया भितर कर्फ्यू आशिल्लो आनी सकाळी जे आसा सकाळची 7 ते 1 पर्यंत जे एसेन्शियल आसतलें तें उक्तें आसतलें. म्हणजे सरकारा प्रमाणे तशें एसेन्शियल चालू आसा. एक नंतर आमकां बाजाराक आमी पळोवपाक मेळटा 4थो दीस पळोवपाक मेळटा की आज कंटिन्यू 4थो दीस. आनी 4 दिसां भितर पळोवपाक मेळटा लोक बाजाराक येना, लोक विलिंगली रावता घरा कडेन. सेल्फ लॉकडावन घेवन आमी रावपाचें घरा. कित्याक सरकाराचें कितें करता तें लोकांक कळ्ळें आहा आनी लोकांक आपल्यालो जीव वाचोवपा जाल्यार आपल्यानूच कितें तरी हें करपा जाय अशें म्हणून म्हाका दिसता सावड्डेच्या कुडचड्या लोकांनी एक निश्चय केल्लो आहा. आनी हाजो फायदो येता त्या काळा भितर दिश्टी पडपाक मेळटा. गोवा 365 प्रौढ सावड्डेकर कुडचड्याच्यान.
We will take a short break. Stay with us. Welcome back. The government's curfew is in force, but local bodies too have announced their separate lockdowns. This has resulted in vendors alleging that the authorities are biased while implementing rules. Municipalities are acting against vendors and not implementing protocols for people, they alleged.
आता आमचा रिक्वेस्ट काय ना आमचे आम्ही लोकांक आम पिशेन काल सांगले की एका मिनिटान तुम्ही बसा म्हणटा फाटल्यानच गाडी येवन हाडून भरतात तुम्ही कितले बरोबर.
जर अशें जावपाक लागले जाल्यार परत आमचो रेशो चडटलो गर्दी जाल्यार. सो तांकां सांगला सोशल डिस्टन्सींग दवरून मातशें खंय सायडीन बसा म्हणून. पूण आज बुधवारचे थंय कितें सिट्युएशन आसा तें अजून हांव म्युन्सिपाल्टीन पावूंक ना. सो पावले काय कळटलें.
आम्ही हांगा बसले प्रॉब्लम आहा तांकां ती लायन बसला ती प्रॉब्लम ना कित्याक म्हणून ना ते कुशी बसला थंय ते कितें प्रॉब्लम ना आमी हांगा बसले प्रॉब्लम बसपाचें खंय पळय तांकां एलाव केलें तेंचे ते कितें बसला थंय ते कळना तांकां बी अशें उखलूंक जाय न्हू सगळ्यांक उखलताले आमकांच कित्याक हांगा बसले तांकां लायन उखलले तुमी ती फुडली लायन कित्याक तांकां बसपाक परमिशन दिला ते परमिशन म्युन्सिपालिटी करतले एकटेक सगळें हे करपाक जाय न्हू सगळ्यांक मिक्स कित्याक करता
एक्शन कोण घेता थंय
बेश्टे तो म्युन्सिपालिटी येयलो थंय बसले थंयसून उखलले आतां खंय बसपाचें खंय
दिवचल आयज सप्तकी बाजार अजापाची गजाल म्हटल्यार जे सुवातेर दिवचलचो बाजार भरता ते सुवातेर आयज एकूय दुकान उक्ते दिसना सगळीं दुकानां बंद केल्या मुख्य मार्केट सुद्दां बंद आसा पूण ह्या मुख्य मार्केटा कुशीकूच म्युन्सिपालिटीच्या मुखार छत्रपती शिवाजी महाराज मैदान आसा त्या मैदानाच्या कुशीक मात खूब जाण भाजी आनी फळां विकतना दिश्टी पडले ते भायर कांय जाण आपल्या गाडयांतल्यान भाजयेंची विक्री करतना दिश्टी पडले आनी त्या वेळार दिवचलच्या पालिकेच्या मनशांनी येवन तेंचेर कारवाय करपाक सुरवात केली तेंचें म्हणणें अशें आसा की जर तुमी ग्रावंडा कुशीक बाकीच्या लोकांक बसपाक एलाव करतात जाल्यार आमचोच माल कित्याक व्हरता तेंचो माल तेंच्यानी आयज जप्त केला तेंचो प्रश्न आसा की ह्या बाकीच्या लोकांक जर तुमी एलाव करतात जाल्यार आमकां परवानगी दिवन सुद्दां आमचो माल कित्याक तुमी जप्त करतात दिवचलच्यान गोवा 365 खातीर जवाहर बर्वे
The Daboli International Airport runway will remain closed for all traffic from 8 p.m. to 6:30 a.m. daily till 8 September, the Navy informed. This is because of the ongoing modernization of infrastructure at the international airport being undertaken by INS Hansa Goa and executed by Tata Power SED. This work will have a minimum impact on civilian air travel, the Navy said. And now for the weather. Goa will witness some inclement weather. The IMD has warned of a cyclonic storm in the southeast Arabian Sea on 16th May. It won't severely affect the state, but Goa will witness heavy rainfall on 16th with wind speeds reaching 40 to 60 kilometers per hour. Here's more.
IMD said a low pressure area is very likely to form over southeast Arabian Sea around 10th May in morning. It's very likely to concentrate into a depression over Lakshadweep area and adjoining southeast and east central Arabian Sea by 15th May. It is very likely to move northwestwards and intensify further into cyclonic storm over east central Arabian Sea around 16th May and continue to move northwestwards. This will result in squally wind speed of 40 to 50 km per hour gusting to 60 km per hour, very likely to prevail along and off the coast of Goa from 15th May onwards. Fishermen out in deep sea advised to return by 14th May and avoid venturing to east central Arabian Sea from 14th May. I am the Goa scientist Rahul M. gave details.
Latest meteorological observations and outputs of numerical weather prediction models indicate that there is a low pressure area that is going to form over Southeast Arabian Sea, and this is the latest satellite image. There you can see over Southeast Arabian Sea there's a lot of clouding taking place, which is going to concentrate into a low pressure area by around 14th of May, and the numerical weather prediction models indicate that the system, after becoming a low pressure area on 14th of May, is going to further intensify into a depression, deep depression.
Samip Narvekar for Goa 365 from Panaji.
With that, we have come to end of this news bulletin. For more news and updates, log on to our website www.goa365.tv. Follow us on Facebook, Goa365 TV, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Goa365 TV, or download our app on both Android and iPhones to watch it on your mobile. Stay safe, take care, and keep watching.